Hi guys, so today we will make lemongrass tea with lemon and honey. So we are boiling our water, and then the lemongrass is there. You can put there like 10 lemongrass leaves, and then tie the leaves together and put it inside the pan with water for boiling. So we're just waiting for the water to boil, and let's close. And then we have here lemon that we're going to slice, and honey, pure honey, to sweeten our tea. Slice the lemon. So we're going to put this in the tea, in our tea. There. So, done. Okay, so na-realize namin guys na hindi lumasang lemongrass yung tubig. Kaya pala kasi hindi namin in-include itong parang pulp ng lemongrass. So, ang gagawin ko, i-add ko to doon sa kumukulong tubig. Tapos, pero bago yan, I'm going to flash this. Okay, so this is okay. And let's not tie this. Charge to experience. So let's add it's already clean. Let's prepare the mugs for our tea. Let's put in the lemon, and then put it there. Next, the other mug, lemon. Squeeze the lemon on the mug, and squeeze and put it there. Next is the honey. So let's put for this small, like 1.5 tablespoon for this small mug or cup, and then for this big or medium mug, let's put 2 tablespoons of honey, and let's wait for our tea. Okay, so let's just make sure that everything is squeezed with our lemon. Alright, so let's check our boiled lemongrass, and the water should look like this. It's a little bit of dark green or green or a little bit of brown. And then let's pour it inside our cup. There. So, there you go. So this is our lemongrass tea with lemon and honey. Let's stir so the honey will dissolve. So let's serve another mug of lemongrass tea. So don't you know that this lemongrass tea or lemongrass juice costs like 90 pesos in restaurants. So you can save by making your own lemongrass tea and juice.